Hey drummers, Jim Linsner here. You know, last week was Steve Gadd's birthday, and I feel like that's as good a reason as any to check out some Steve Gadd licks today. One of the most simple and brilliant applications of rudiments to the drum set, in my opinion, was the way Steve Gadd played the Ratamacue. The traditional Ratamacue is played like this. The way Gadd played it, he only did the first half. Left, left, right, left, right, left. Left, left, right, right, left. And he also replaced the last note with the bass drum. So it became left, left, right, bass. Left, left, right, bass. Left, left, right, bass. Let's have a listen to how he played that on the drum set. When you get that cooking, it sounds really cool. It also sounds like the bass drum is on the downbeat. So that's the way I want you to perceive it, as 6 equally spaced notes starting with the bass drum. So you're going to go bass, left, right, bass, left, right, bass, snare, 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 small floor. I'll play that from slow to fast. Once you're comfortable with that pattern, we can play it with a groove. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a simple groove for one measure, then I'm going to play one measure of the Ratamacue played at sextuplet speed. This means 6 notes per count. Pretty straightforward, just one Gadd Ratamacue per count. When Steve Gadd played it, a lot of times he started it with a single right on the snare drum instead of a bass drum. Let's check out what that sounds like. Okay, so that's the Ratamacue. Let's go a little bit deeper into the Gadd world though. When Gadd played the Ratamacue, it was usually in drum solos, which means he didn't play the Ratamacue and then go back to the groove. He played the Ratamacue and then played another solo idea. So one of the solo ideas that he paired the Ratamacue with that I think is really cool is 16th triplets played bass, left, right, bass, left, right. So what I'm going to do right now is play a measure of the Gadd Ratamacue followed by a measure of 16th triplets. Incidentally, 16th triplets and sextuplets are exactly the same speed, so all the notes in this fill are going to be played at the same speed. One measure of Gadd Ratamacue, one measure of 16th triplets, bass, left, right. Another great idea Steve would sometimes play with the Ratamacue is this Herto idea where you play the bass drum followed by snare, small, floor tom. And if you're not familiar with this lick, I'm going to play it in a second, but if you're not familiar with it, please check out another one of my videos called Herto number 5 that goes into more depth on that. Here it is, one measure of Ratamacue, one measure of the Steve Gadd Herto idea. Yeah, so great ideas, great solos, Steve Gadd. If you haven't checked out Steve Gadd, oh my gosh, go to YouTube right now, type in Gadd solo, and you will get 100 entries, and you'll be able to watch hours of footage of this amazing, amazing drummer. And if you want to flip out even more, go to his website and check out the thousands of people he's played with. Steve Gadd is certainly one of the most influential drummers of the last 40 years. Thanks a lot, Steve, for all the inspiration. Happy birthday.